Dynamic glass might not be a mainstream building product just yet, but there's one New York company working hard to change that. I'm Ellen Rogers, editor of USGlass magazine, and I recently visited the Long Island town of Plainview, New York, home of Innovative Glass Corp and their impressive showroom and design center. The 2,500 square foot facility features full-scale working displays and applications of all the company's electrochromic glass, or e-glass products. When you visit the showroom, you can see firsthand how the products transition from clear to opaque. And whether it's commercial architecture, interiors, healthcare, or residential construction, there's a product for every market segment. But first, the showroom and design center are a reality because of company president Steve Abadi's vision and drive. He says that compared to sending out a product sample, a visit to the showroom provides a unique, interactive experience. So Steve, you guys have an absolutely beautiful showroom and design center here. So tell me a little bit, what made you decide I need to build this?
Well, for several years I was selling switchable technologies and various different types of e-glass, but it was very, very difficult without being able to demonstrate it firsthand. Architects really don't know exactly what you can do with dynamic glass, what's the definition of dynamic glass. And by having this showroom, we have the ability of bringing in the designers and the architects and the contractors and showing them the variety of different type of dynamic glass that might be there, be it LC privacy glass, be it electrochromic glass, be it thermochromic glass, being heated glass.
Now let's look at some of those products. One of the most visually interesting is a multimedia wall that instantly transforms into a rear projection screen, and it's even voice activated. Another feature is the e-glass configuration wall. This allows you to combine different types of glass products, resulting in dozens of possible combinations. Take a look. So let's take a look at this entrance system behind us. This has got some smart glass features to it. So tell me a little bit about this part of the display.
Okay, so this is the LC privacy glass being used as Herculite doors and a knee wall, and this is obviously in the private state. And all of this glass is controlled with smart home type of switches. So I could control this either with my cell phone or my iPhone or my iPad. So for example, I could turn this glass here in the on or the off state, in the clear state.
But it can also do some other features as well. So tell us a little bit about what it's doing now.
Well, you're seeing it now in the video projection mode, and we actually have a rear projector projecting onto the back of the LC, where the colors are very, very vivid and sharp, and it's an excellent projection screen. And everything actually in this showroom is Alexa enabled, and we could control the lights, the security, the video, and everything.
Do you find that you're getting more and more requests for this type of thing, the smart home systems, the voice-controlled things like that? Is that
100%? I mean, with all the publicity that goes around, all the Google Homes and the Alexa, everybody's looking for some type of smart control.
So this is another unique feature that you guys have here. So what is this setup used for?
This is actually a e-glass configuration wall. And this lets you view all the different combinations of the e-glass technologies. And we could slide these filters in front of the glass, and we could put decorative effects in front of the glass or behind the glass. So when the glass is switching from clear to private, you know what the effect is going to be.
There are many other product displays. These include the healthcare and residential markets, as well as a shower enclosure that can transition from clear to opaque for privacy. The company also has a virtual reality training room, which creates an immersive educational experience. So I know that the healthcare market is actually a big segment for different smart glass products. So, and this is part of your display here. So tell me a little bit about what this one's showing.
Okay, so the reason why LC privacy glass is so popular in the healthcare market is because it's a very effective infection control solution. Rather than have curtains in between the rooms and blocking the rooms that accumulate germs and bacteria, by having glass that you could just wipe down with alcohol and desanitize the room is perfect. Well, when you use switchable privacy glass, the glass is completely clear, so a nurse's station could overlook, let's say, 10 rooms and monitor 10 patients at a time. And when the doctor wants to go inside, he goes inside, flicks a switch, and he has instant privacy. The unique part about this particular system is that we've developed a wiring system that completely conceals all of the wires up on top. So we could open these doors, swing them open, and there's no wires at all concealed. And this is using our proprietary power track system for transferring the power.
You know, I've not seen a lot of smart glass shower doors, but you guys have done that too. So tell us a little bit about using the technology in the shower enclosure.
This is the LC privacy glass into the shower doors and the side lights. We could go from clear to private. This has an electrified walking beam pivot up on top for transferring the power. This is all running at low voltage. The film is laminated between the glass. It's hermetically sealed around the entire perimeter. The handles are electrically isolated from the electrical system. And we've done 60 of these bathrooms just in Manhattan alone.
The Innovative Glass Corp showroom definitely provides a dynamic way to experience dynamic glass. Thanks for joining us. I'm Ellen Rogers.